This dragon fruit frozen yogurt bark is so yummy, and it's a snack you can feel good about serving your kids. Plus, it's really easy to make. We started with Greek yogurt, vanilla flavored. Then we used dragon fruit puree. We just placed it around on top of that, swirled it in for a pretty color. Then it's time for your toppings. We chose blueberries first. They're going to taste really yummy frozen. Then we picked some granola, sprinkled it on top, and some fun sprinkles just for some more color. Freeze it. Now break it off and enjoy. Like, share, and follow for more.